the Bible touches down. To our surprise, when the Bible touched down, the cost of living shot up to unimaginable levels. And I want to say that the cost of fuel, the prices of fuel that shot up is a sign that indeed the president is making right his promise, the promise of taking Kenyans to heaven. Yale mambo matatu, ile ya watu kwenda binguni, indeed is being exercised. And I want to say that increasing the price for fuel literally increases the cost of production. Therefore, the cost of living cannot be lowered if the cost of production goes up. The cost of electricity will automatically go up, taking into consideration that one of the ways of generating electricity is by the use of fuel, save for other means of generating electricity. The cost of water will automatically go up because for you to pump water, you will need electricity, which already is high. The cost of food will automatically go up because increasing the cost of fuel automatically increases the cost of any good and service that is supposed to be transported, because the cost of transport automatically goes up. Therefore, we don't have a country. We were promised that the bottom-up economy will salvage Kenyans from the shackles of oppression, from the bondage of oppression. And as we can clearly see, that indeed the bottom-up that we were being told is taking money from the people at the bottom and funding the people at the top wherever they are going. As you can see, the president and his deputy has left Kenya in a crisis as they are globe trotting, as they are touring other countries. Right now they are tourists in other countries, and Kenya is left in shame. And therefore, the solution, the first solution to this, is that the current bipartisan talks that are going on should be called off. We advise the Azimio members who are holding the talks to walk out of the talks. It is not the time to talk, it is time to walk.